In Java programming, methods are blocks of code that perform a specific task. One of the powerful features of methods in Java is method overloading. This allows you to create multiple methods with the same name, but with different parameters. This lesson will explore the concept of method overloading, how it works, and provide concrete examples to illustrate its usage. Don't worry if this feels new at first. Now we're on understanding method overloading. Method overloading occurs when two or more methods in the same class share the same name but have different parameter lists. The parameter lists can differ in first, number of parameters, next, type of parameters, also, order of parameters. Java determines which method to call based on the method signature, which includes the method name and the parameter list. Now, benefits of method overloading. Method overloading enhances code readability and usability. By using the same method name for similar operations, developers can make their code more intuitive. For example, a method that calculates the area can be overloaded to handle different shapes such as circles and rectangles, making the code easier to understand. Let's move on to example of method overloading. Let's look at a practical example that demonstrates method overloading in action. Review the class shown on screen and how its members are organized. In this example, we have a class named AreaCalculator with three overloaded methods named CalculateArea. Each method calculates the area of a different geometric shape, demonstrating how the same method name can be used for different purposes based on the parameters. Invoking overloaded methods, let's dig in. To use the overloaded methods, you simply call the method with the appropriate parameters. Here's how you can invoke these methods. Review the class shown on screen and how its members are organized. In the main class, we create an instance of AreaCalculator and call each overloaded method. The Java compiler determines which method to execute based on the number and type of arguments passed. In this lesson, you learned about method overloading in Java. You discovered how to create multiple methods with the same name but different parameters, and how this feature can improve the readability and usability of your code. You also saw a complete example of an AreaCalculator that demonstrates method overloading in action. Go ahead and work through this exercise. First, create a class called VolumeCalculator with overloaded methods to calculate the volume of a cube, a cylinder, and a sphere. Next, implement the methods and print out the results in the main method. Also, experiment with different parameter types such as integers and floats to see how method overloading works.